Peace, family. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. So I'm here with the video on how to land a remote job so you can live abroad, overseas, or specifically in Tanzania. So I have some notes here so I won't forget anything. Let's get into the video. So before we start talking about searching and which specific jobs that you can apply to, you need to have the foundation, which is you want to update your resume if you already have one. Most of y'all should already have one. If you don't, you want to build a resume. You can build a resume by using a resume builder with these sites. I'll put them down below in the description as well. And you want to have the proper resume that reflects the job that you're trying to land. You want to make sure that the dates on your resume aren't too far apart, where it's like a gap in why you weren't working. You were working in July 2002 and then you started another job January 2003. Like, they're gonna think that you are not a good worker and you don't have good work ethic. Then you want to make sure that on your resume it has similar jobs to what you're applying for. Number two, getting and searching for the job. So you want to use your favorite friend, Google. Google is going to help you find all sorts of jobs, all types of jobs. If you know you want a remote call center job that, I don't know, does voiceovers, or a job that is a social media moderator, you can search specifically that and it'll show you all the jobs that are open now. And some other websites you can use are, my favorite is Melissa at Home, Work at Home Queen, ZipRecruiter. I'm gonna show you how all of these look. So this is Melissa at Home, my favorite one. And she has global jobs, companies now hiring, quick ways to earn, even entry-level jobs. So I'll show you what companies now hiring looks like. So you're going to get something that populates to enter your email so you can get her free remote job leads. And she also provides resume revamp service, so you can take advantage of that if you would like. Now, she has for the month of September 2023, and she has it dated with all of the jobs that are hiring at that time. And with the dates, you'll know how urgent you need to fill out the application because of when they started hiring. Now, you see this image right here. We're going to put the drop down on work at home. These are all her options. Entry level, phone jobs, stay at home, part-time, online chat, global, high paying, extra cash, and even night jobs. And yes, global. So now for work at home job queen, it is very simple, to the point. She has where you can subscribe so you can get the emails for whenever she posts. You can check out the video that she has there and sign up for her emails. Now you keep scrolling down. She has these job leads where it's fast cash, playing games, things like that. So things that you can start right away. And then here are the work at home leads, and it's from September 5th. And I believe she updates daily or every other day. Either way, there are many jobs that she posts for you. If you just continue to fill out every job that's listed here, there's no way you cannot find a job. Last but not least, I have ZipRecruiter. You'll have to fill out a little bit of information and then upload your resume. I'm just going to log in for you all. So ZipRecruiter is going to show you the suggested jobs based on, what you've selected or what you have already applied for. And see that one tap apply? That is what I love about it. So it shows you many jobs that are hiring at the moment, and you can see all the details, how much pay and everything. This website is awesome. And you can just search into their search bar. I'm just going to put remote customer service. If you have like your insurance license, you can put insurance, remote insurance customer service, or health, or if you do billing and coding, they have it all. and especially the one tap apply. I love those. But don't only go for those, go for the ones that you have to go in there and apply as well. I know it has Dar es Salaam up there, but you're not going to put a specific location. Just search the entire United States. If you can't find a job, you're not applying yourself hard enough, okay? Now, number 3, this is, I've talked about this many times if you've watched my videos, especially in this video right here, or right here. You don't want a job that tracks your location. This is crucial because you will get fired. Most times, American jobs don't want you to work outside of the jurisdiction of the United States, which it makes no sense to me. It's not like I'm not a United States citizen. I'm just out of the state, out of the country working. So fortunately, my job that I have now, I end up telling them by mistake because my logins and my credentials wasn't. I'm trying to look at the camera, but yeah, I don't know if I'm looking at it. So after you accept the job, sometimes it's hard to know if they're gonna tell you to download a system that tracks your location. So you're just gonna go ahead and accept the job. Go ahead and do the training. If they say that you need to download it, keep the job so you can get used to having a remote job. That way you'll have a job and you can just save your money in the meantime and still look for another job. And yeah, that's about it. And once you have that job, you can test the VPN and see if it works. That concludes the video. It's that simple. Go ahead and watch this video right here and see how I did it specifically for myself and how I sustained a lifestyle living in Tanzania or just living abroad. And if you would like to know how you can move abroad and live in a different country, specifically Tanzania as well, or any country, you can purchase my book. Go to my website right here, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.